Somebody in the parking lot bagged into my car, scratched this up, scratched that up. So I got that scratched. I'm gonna have to fix that and that.
They call me, I promise that you never be
Boy, T-Lite. Oh yeah, back in this piece. Shout out to the Werewolf Gang. Yeah. Shout out to my Werewolf Gang, the Lightikins, baby. Shout out to y'all for staying subscribed to me, man. Showing me mad love, always supporting me with every video I drop. And for those who have not subscribed to my channel, you know you want to be part of this werewolf gang, this werewolf pack, baby. Come on and join the pack, man. We always accepting new werewolves, baby. Come on, man. Come on now. Don't play with yourself. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Tell a friend about me, man, if you find this video interesting, if you like my style. Obviously, you like my style because you've been here for 30-some seconds. So go ahead and hit that like button. Quit playing, man. Hit that like button for your boy T-Lite. Let's get this video to at least 30 likes. You know what I'm saying? But today, man, I got something special for you today. Let me stop lying. It ain't too special because I'm pissed. I gotta take my Magnum. As you can see, I gotta take the Magnum to the shop to get the lights fixed because the lights keep going on and off. So I had to go buy another light switch. Man, this car is becoming a lot of problems. Even though it's my favorite car, it is becoming a lot of problems. As you can see, I had to take this little side piece off because it was falling off. And I'm gonna put that back on probably later today. I'll make a video of how to put that back on. So I got to put that back on. And yesterday my fiance took the Magnum and somebody in the parking lot bagged into my car, scratched this up, scratched that up. So I got that scratched. I'm going to have to fix that and that on top of that. So I'm going to end up having to probably replace this whole little piece. I already got to replace this piece. I got to get that fixed. I already got to get this fixed. So I got to replace all of that, which I already knew I had to replace that, so I ain't really tripping on that. But I didn't expect to have to go over here and have to replace this. Or at least get it pushed out and get it repainted. I don't know, man. I don't want to spend a lot of money on the Magnum, even though it's my favorite car. I don't really want to spend a lot of money on it, man, because I'm about to get a Hellcat eventually, too. There go my other whips right there. And an SS right there, too. That's got to go, too. Yeah, my SS, this got to go, too. It's got to, hold on, let me get in my head. Power steering, the leak on the hose of the power steering. My mechanic, he fixed it, but the hose must have came loose. So I gotta go do that today. Take that. I gotta get another light for this bad boy. I gotta get another light. I gotta get this bow tie fixed. But that's enough of that, man. I'm gonna end up giving y'all a full review on this SS right here. I'm gonna end up giving you a full review on this SS because this is one of the most slept on cars. Slept on Chevys at all time. Even though it was a front wheel drive, it still was a V8 5.3. I'm gonna tell y'all a little bit about it later, man. But this bad boy is fully loaded, just in case you wanted to know. Fully loaded. Leather interior, moonroof, everything you want in a super sport. You see what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm definitely gonna give y'all a review on that. But yeah, I'm gonna have to drop both of these cars off. The Magnum, the Magalini, and the Super. Magalini and the Super gotta go today. Like I said, man, I'm definitely pissed about this. Whoever did this, you's a hating bastard. You could have stopped and told me what you did, man. You a little hating ass motherfucker. I hate your motherfucker. I hope your motherfucking fender fall off. Yeah, I said it. I hope your motherfucking fender fall off because you ran into my shit and then you like, oh, it's all cool and pulled off. I hope your motherfucking fender fall off, bitch. Yeah, I said it. You hated on me. You ran into my shit and didn't say nothing, so I hope your fender fall off. I sure do. Ugly mother. Let me, man. You know what? Bring it down a level. I take away the cussing. I shouldn't have cursed, but I do hope your fender fall off, whoever ran into my car. I do hope your fender fall off. I ain't gonna change that. I'm always 100 when it comes to me, man. Hey, I hope your fender fall off. Yep. Yeah. So we gotta take the Magalini and get her fixed. I ain't gonna do the body work yet because I'm still gonna have to do some body work with this. I mean, I'm probably gonna end up replacing this whole back piece, man. I just don't want to spend a lot of money on this car. Meaning I'm gonna get another car, not this year, probably beginning or later on next year. So I don't really spend too much money on it. But if you want me to keep this Magnum and keep on fixing on it, keep on modding, getting it better looking, let me know, man. Let me know in the comments, man. And if you want me to do it, I'll keep the car and I'll mod it some more. I'll make it better. I'll put some 24-inch rims on it. And I'll probably get it wrapped. That's about it. I ain't gonna do too much more than that. The car, engine wise, and everything else is A1. Everything else is A1 on this car. Nothing is wrong with this car. So I'll probably get it wrapped and put some 24-inch rims on it. But that's up to y'all. If y'all want me to do it, I do it. If y'all don't say nothing about it, I probably won't do nothing. But just keep it as a daily driver, and that's it. I will fix this part right here. And that sister gonna start her motherfucking car. That man, that scared the dog doo-doo out of me, man. I was like, what's going on here? How's somebody getting in the car that quick? But yeah. See that thing? Yeah. But I will do that for y'all, man. Just let me know in the comments, man. Let me know. And I'll do it. If y'all say yay, I will. If y'all say nay or don't say nothing, if I do end up modding, it won't be like on a regular. It'll be here and there. But as you can see, this is a beautiful car. Ain't nothing wrong with this car. Nothing, like nothing wrong with this car, but those little bitty defects that I showed y'all. Other than that, it's A1. So man, I'm gonna get back to y'all in a second when I end up taking these cars, man. I'll get back to y'all in a second. Jig. We on it, baby. On the road, taking the SS and the Magnum. Let's see what she want. Alright. See, you see me in the SS, man. You see me in the Super Sport, baby. We out here. I ain't drove this car in like, man, I probably ain't drove this car probably about, man, maybe 4 months, man, to be all the way honest with y'all. Probably about 4 months since I drove this car. And I love driving this car, to be all the way real with you. I love it. Just ain't had time to really get in it. Plus it had the little power steering thing, and I should have been took it to get it fixed, man. It's already, everything's paid for. I was on some lazy. I was being lazy. So you know how that be. You know how that be when you be lazy. But I love this car, man. This Super Sport is crazy. Here come the Magnum real quick. Got my Magnum right there. Yeah. Yeah, man. I got a couple things I gotta redo this tent right here too, man. I'm tripping. I've been neglecting my whips, man. With that motorcycle and that damn 392. Look at that thing. Boy, that thing look good, don't it? That thing look good. But yeah, I'm about to start taking better care of my whips, man. I've been neglecting them. Trying to mod that damn 392. I've been not paying attention to my other whips, which is crazy. But we're gonna get it right. Get it right, get it tight. Super Sport, baby. Yeah, one of the most slept on Chevys of all time, I think. Just because it was front wheel drive, everybody didn't really want to go for the Super Sport SS Impala back then, because they ain't like it was front wheel drive. I don't give a damn. Speed is speed. Front wheel, regular, who gives a damn? Nowadays, these all-wheel drive cars perform better than these rear-wheel drive cars anyway. Man, you just gonna throw yourself on the brakes like that? Crazy. Y'all a quick little pull real quick. Yeah. Yeah. That Super Sport got that power, got a little power to it now. People be tripping, man. That 330 in this motherfucker got power, baby. I got some power in this baby. It ain't the fastest car, ain't the fastest production car, but shit, it get the job done. It ain't no slouch, if you know what I mean. But yeah, man, I'm gonna get back to y'all in a second when I get to the destination. Or I might turn the camera back on depending on how I feel. You know what I'm saying? Shit, I'm down. Christine over there. Look at just Christine over there. Oh, I think it's Christine. She ain't gonna let the window down, but she over there looking fine. Look at that Magnum. I told you that thing looked good, gooder than a summer gun. Super Sport. Inside interior of the Super Sport. Christine now put her our little lawn things in here, man. Our little lawn pillows. Tripping. That thing sound good too, boy. That V6 sound good. Yeah, man, we out here, man, and I'm out here enjoying my life, man, at the same time. Hope y'all enjoying y'all life, man. I hope, like I said, I probably didn't say this at the beginning of the video, man, but I hope y'all receiving this video in good health. Everything in life is going good for you, man, and even if it ain't, man, it gets greater later. Believe me, man. I know, it gets greater later. Look at that thing right there. That thing look good. He always got some old schools out there fixing them up. But yeah. That's what the Super Sport look like inside, man, in case y'all wanted to know, man. It's got a Super Store, all that, man. I'm gonna give y'all a review. I know what y'all want. I'm gonna give y'all a review. I know y'all like, dang, T-Lite been hiding the Super Sport from us. Nah, man, I ain't been hiding it from y'all. I just ain't really had time to get to it right now, but we definitely gonna get up on it, though, you know what I mean? We definitely gonna do it. Why she looking at me? Why she looking at me like that? You know what I'm saying? Is my lips crusty? Don't care if they is. But yeah, man. We just out here doing our thing, man. Yeah, in case you don't think that works, I just got it turned off. I just got it turned off, man. Like, man, it don't even work. I just had it turned off. Oh, let me turn that down, though. Let me turn that down. All that static. Yeah, man. But like I said, man, I appreciate all my subscribers, man. If I don't say it enough, man, I try to say it as much as I can, man. But I really appreciate y'all, man. Y'all really be showing T-Lite real love, man, and I appreciate that, man. I've been at this for like 5 months, but really seriously, I've been at it like maybe. Seriously, I've been at it probably about 3-4 months, man. I just got serious about it, man, because you know I love cars. And I love people's cars too. So I got serious about it, and that is what it is, man. But I ain't gonna hold y'all with all my talk. Y'all want to hear me talking like that. When I get to the destination, man, I'll fire this bad boy back up. Chittick! There go the Magnum, baby. We got her here safely. Looking good as usual. He need to get that back to me immediately. We're gonna get that fixed when we get here, but I just want to let y'all see the Magalini has got here safely, as you can see. Safely, looking so sexy, sexiest wagon of all time. She has got here. I'm here, baby. We got the Super Sport over there. Super Sport has made it too. Yes, the Super Sport has made it. We got Don's car right there. He just put the 315s in the back. I don't know what he got in the front, but yeah, we made it. The Super Sport is here, looking so sexy, so sexy. I'm blessed, man. I'm blessed. What's that on the tire? Oh, that's that tire shine shit. I'm finna say, what the hell? Them brand new tires. Look at that thing. Look at that thing looking all sexy dicks. Look at that thing. Look at that shit. Ooh wee. I'm so blessed. I'm so blessed. I'm so blessed. Yeah. Got a couple whips out here too. Nothing special, but we got something out here. One last look at the Magnum before we say farewell for about a day or two. Not too long, about 2 days. And Impala, 2 days. So you already know. Get y'all one little walk around again. Yep. And we about to speak. Man, I like to say, like I said, man, before I cut out, got me some H2O. Get that H2O, but always be healthy. Drink you up 8 glasses of water a day. Keeps the age away. Hey, I said age, not AIDS. Age. But with that being said, man, always be the positive person in your crew, man. You always gotta be, it's always gotta be somebody that's positive in the crew. Be that person. Hang around like-minded people. Hang around people with the same drive that you got or a better drive so you can strive for something. Always stay away from negative Ned and negative Nancy. I don't fool with negative people. I stay away from them. You should do the same thing too. Don't be hanging around negative people because they ain't got nothing positive to say or nothing positive to do. And you a positive person. And with that being said, man, wait, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, man. If you found this video interesting, man, and you like the content I just gave you, hit that like button, subscribe, tell a friend about me, join the Werewolf Gang. The Werewolf Gang, man, we are a pack of Likens. The Lightikins are here, man, and we ain't going nowhere, man. Join the pack, man. Join the gang, the Werewolf Gang. Arr! With that being said, man, it's your boy. Man, I'm all in the sun. It's your boy, T-Lite. Oh yeah. And I'm out this piece. Jittig.
That's what they call me. Promise that you never